Proper. We have 9 contestants for today, and we start off with JRU's Kim Aurin.
Nakakahiya. Mikey, pwede mo bang lapitan si Kim at tanungin mo kung ano ang kanyang
gusto mo
gagawin?
after the dunk na lang?
After.
Maganda kung before, tanungin mo yung mga paghahanda. Let's see.
Oh, ito, si Kim Aurin, isang shooting guard. Very explosive, Andre.
Listen, that's 6'2". Probinsya niya ay sa Cavite. Of course, naglaro din yan sa St. Francis of Assisi. He has one to make a dunk. Our first participant from Jose Rizal University, Kim Aurin. Oh! Go signal.
Pwede pa. Meron ka pang 50 seconds. Okay na siya doon.
Okay na daw siya doon. Mikey, okay na si Kim Aurin.
Oo. Baseline, clutching it behind his head and throwing it down.
Gusto mo ba isa pa, Kim? Isa pa?
One more!
One more for Kim Aurin! Mikey, may sinasabi si Brandon Vera doon.
Oh, keep it rolling daw. Sasapakin ka daw nito. Ayan!
Mikey!
Oh, si pa doon.
Mikey, doon ka sa judges. Kunin mo yan.
Ito baka...
Meron ka, 45 seconds. Sige pa!
Kailan?
Sige pa!
Sige pa daw! Oo.
Hoy,
Isa pa!
Pakibigyan ng tubig si Brandon.
Brandon, paalala ko lang sa'yo, hindi to boxing match, ha? Hindi to MMA
Mainit ka
fight.
eh. Si Brandon naninindak eh.
Oh!
Brandon, tingin mo sa dunk natin.
Malakas to.
Malakas.
Kim, okay na ba yun? So Kim Aurin gives the go signal, and that is the dunk that he will go with. Let's see what our judges will give Kim Aurin.
Maganda nga yung dunk na yun. Yung huli, over the top. Ito, 8. Binigyan ni Brandon. Raver gives him an 8.